Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today I've got this Kawasaki KRX4 1000 and I want to talk to you about the Tusk Folding Glass Windshield that we have installed right now. We actually have 3 different glass windshields from Tusk that we offer for the KRX. We have the folding glass, we have the full glass, and the full view. And at the end of this video, I will touch on some of the major differences between those 3 to help you decide which one might be best for you. But if you are looking for the most versatile windshield that Tusk makes for the KRX, it's gonna be the folding glass, and here's why. Once you have this thing mounted up, which we have a great how-to video that Charles goes through, shows you step-by-step how to mount this, you're gonna have days where you want the windshield up, whether it's cold weather, it's inclement weather, it's rain, doesn't matter. You got the windshield up, but in those situations where maybe it's a hot afternoon, you want airflow going into the cab, in just a matter of seconds, you can just loosen these knobs up here at the top. This windshield folds down flat, completely out of your field of view, onto these brackets on the hood, and it's there and secure, and you can drive with the windshield completely folded down. So it gives you the option to have the windshield up or down. But another great feature is that even with it in the up position, you have a large vent right here in the middle that you can actuate from the inside, which gives you a good amount of airflow into the cab with the windshield in the up position. So like I said, this option gives you the most versatility. It's made from laminated auto glass, so the same glass you'd have in your car or truck's windshield. So the clarity, the durability, it's awesome. It does also have a slight tint to it just to make it a little bit easier on your eyes in bright sunny conditions. The frame itself is made from a nice powder coated aluminum, again, very well built. This is gonna work with the Tusk roof or the KQR OEM roof from Kawasaki as well. And that's also, honestly, another big benefit to using Tusk accessories is everything that we build is all meant to work together. So we've got, you can see here, our pivoting folding mirrors with the A-pillar mirror mounts. Those integrate nicely. We've got the light bar brackets up here on top, the adventure roof. We've got a ton of great accessories for the KRX. Now, going back to what I said earlier, we have multiple different windshield options for this vehicle, and there's 3 glass windshields. This is the folding, like I said, the most versatility. We also have the full glass windshield, which is gonna look very similar to this, but it's just not gonna fold down. You'll still get the large vent right here in the center, but it stays in place. And then we have the full view glass windshield. And that is gonna be unique for people that want the most field of view possible. And just like the name says, the full view has very little outer frame, and so when you get inside the cab, you almost don't even feel like you have a windshield on because your field of view is not obstructed whatsoever. So it really just depends on your preference. There's a little bit of a price difference between the 3, but ultimately you just got to figure out what's going to be best for you. But if you do have questions or comments, please leave those down below. We will help get those answered. Now, last thing I will point out is that this will come with a 12-inch wiper blade included. And like I said, with the install process, Charles walks you through step by step. The only thing that I would say you need to know is that these brackets, you do drill 2 holes in the hood on each side to get those installed, but there's a template. Watch the video. It's going to be no problem whatsoever. Again, questions down below. To grab one today to see all the different options, we even have a half polycarbonate windshield to choose from. Click the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We always ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest product like this windshield from Tusk, get subscribed to our YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.